When you're out and about in a restaurant, you got to have something on the fly. And every restaurant has a salt and pepper shaker. You can always order hot water, and every restaurant has lemons. So all you have to do is order hot water with lemon, and you take your lemon and you squeeze it in your hot water, and you can add a little salt or a little pepper to that, stir it up and make a little tea and drink that while you're waiting for your food to come, and that will amp up your digestive fire. These foods are special. Lemons and limes are loaded with vitamin C, and vitamin C is one of the tastes in Ayurveda that balance your nervous system. Sweet, sour, and salt calm you down. Sour is interesting, it's the vitamin C taste, and what vitamin C does in these citrus fruits is it actually protects the very delicate fat-soluble vitamins that support your mood. Vitamin E, D, A, and K are all the vitamins that support brain health and mood stability. So these sour foods, not only do they amp up your digestion so you don't create ama, mental and physical ama, but they also protect your very delicate fats to support a stable mood, which is really, really important.
For more of these tips, join us in Ayurveda 201. You can sign up now on yogajournal.com.